Students, so this is our first lab, inorganic lab. So in this lab we are going to prepare boric acid. So how to prepare boric acid? So boric acid, as I told you, it is an anti-infective. It can be prepared by using the native borax and distilled water as well as sulfuric acid. So by these three raw materials we can use the boric acid preparation. We can do the boric acid preparation in our laboratory. So this is the borax what I am taking for preparation of boric acid. So borax in a chemical form, it is nothing but it is a disodium tetraborate decahydrate. Okay, so the formula Na2B4O7 10H2O, that is 10 water molecule will be there in the borax. So for that purpose we are calling it as decahydrate. Deca means 10. So 10 water molecules will be there. Okay, whereas the borax formula is Na2B4O7. So this borax is a raw material what we are going to use for preparation of boric acid. So first step is nothing but you should accurately weigh 5 grams of borax. So by using this weighing machine, I am measuring 5 grams accurately this borax. Okay. So what are the amount you are taking? So you take the specified amount, that is accurately take only 5 grams. So you can see here I have weighed accurately the 5 grams of borax, and I have transferred this borax powder in a small beaker. So the empty beaker I have taken and I have transferred this borax powder in this small beakers. After that I am adding 15 ml of distilled water. So with the help of this water bottle, that is wash bottle, I have taken the 15 ml of water and I am pouring in this borax powder, and by using this glass rod I am stirring it. Just I am mixing the borax powder with distilled water. After that we need to keep this solution on the flame. Just to keep the solution onto the flame and stir vigorously until you get a clear solution. Now the solution is somewhat turbid now. So until the solution boils, we should keep this solution on the flame.
చేయండి ఒకసారి.
So you can see here I am heating the solution. So you should keep the solution on the flame until the solution boils. So now you can see the solution in the beaker is boiling. So after that, just turn off the flame and just remove the solution carefully because it is very hot. After that, in the hot condition only, you should add 5 ml of sulfuric acid. So just I am adding slowly, by thorough mixing I am adding slowly the 5 ml of sulfuric acid. So after adding, thoroughly mix the solution and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you will get the crystals of boric acid. After that, you need to separate the boric acid crystals from liquid. Okay, so I am keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, you will get the crystals like this. So these are nothing but, you can see here, these are nothing but the crystals of boric acid. Okay, so these crystals we need to filter it, we need to separate it from the solution. So how you are going to do means, you are going to do by using the funnel. So you can see here the arrangement, that is I have kept the funnel, so above it I have also kept the filter paper. So just keep the filter paper, just take the one filter paper like this and just fold like this. Okay, after folding, you keep this filter paper onto the funnel. Okay. So I am now filtering this solution. So after the filtration completes, just remove this filter paper and let it dry at room temperature. So you can dry it at room temperature. So now you can see here the various crystals of boric acid. So after it dries, you need to scratch all the compound from the filter paper and you need to weigh it on the digital balance. Okay, and calculate the percentage yield, how much yield you are getting, whether it may be your 2 grams or 2.5 grams. So guys, this is a method how to prepare the boric acid in your laboratories. So what you have done, first you have taken the 5 grams of accurately weighed borax and you have added that borax powder in 15 ml of distilled water. After that, you should heat on the water bath. So how much you should heat means until your solution boils. Until that you should heat it. After heating, in the hot condition, you should add 5 ml of sulfuric acid. After adding sulfuric acid, you keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you will get the crystals in that beaker. That crystals are separated from the water by using the filtration. Okay, so you will get the crystals like that. After that, you need to weigh it and you will get the practical yield. Thank you.